Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. We also call it Windows Security. And let me tell you what exactly it is. Windows Defender is a default security software provided by Microsoft, and it is a very important software and it should be always up and running and updated as well. But sometimes we need to disable it because we might have to install a third party application or third party security software. So I will tell you two easy way to disable Windows Defender temporarily and permanently. So watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on this Windows icon, then click on settings. On this settings page, go to left bottom and click on privacy and security. Then click on Windows security and this kind of interface will open where you will see many options. Now you have to click on this first option, virus and threat protection, and a new window will open. On this new window, now you have to go to virus and threat protection settings section and then click on manage setting option. And then you have to disable all these settings. One by one you have to disable all settings. Once you have disabled all these settings, then you have to close this page. This is first and temporary method. Now let me tell you second method to disable it. You just have to follow what exactly I am doing. Now you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on run. In this run box, you have to type regedit. You have to type regedit and hit enter. And this registry editor page will open. On this page, go to left top and then you have to click on H key local machine. Just expand it. Then you have to click on software. And in this list, we are looking for policies. This is policies, expand it. Then click on Microsoft. And in this list, you will get one option called Windows Defender. Now you have to right click on Windows Defender folder. Then go to new. And then you have to click on dword32 with value. And here you need to do exactly the way I am doing it. Now you have to type disable anti-spyware and there will be no space. Once you have typed it, then click anywhere and then you have to double click on it and this small window will open. Here you have to put the value 1 and then click on OK. Once it is done, then simply you have to restart your computer and Windows Defender or Windows Security will be disabled. If you want to enable again, then you just have to delete this file. Just right click on it, then click on delete and then click on yes, it will be enabled again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.